This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Terrye Decker. Best buy in the area, absolutely stunning, the floor plan, the upgrades, and the value, from the bamboo floors and crown molding, to the fantastic kitchen west/granite, exquisite light fixtures, wine closet, etc., to the new garage door, a new AC, lovely family room F/P surround and shelving, etc. Baths west/new commodes and counters, whole house attic, and a fantastic, huge, backyard patio. And more, just perfect. For more information, review the details below.